Hello, friends. Welcome to Knowledge World again. It's a video, like requested video, I would say. Like people have been requesting to see how filter works actually in the Excel sheet. So we are going to discuss about the Excel sheet filter here. So it's not going to be very long here. So let's see. Like we have some data in one uh, this column, so we have 975 entries in that. So we are just going to check this one. We'll click here, we'll select, and just in the home tab, we'll go to the sort and filter. We'll just click and filter. So this would come like this. Here you can see the filter. When you will click here, you can see multiple options to implement on this Excel. So how it works, let's see. I'm just clicking it. It may take some time because it has too much data in my Excel sheet. There is a long vendor list actually. So, and just for your information, in mid, I want to update. Like I have updated my bench and recruiters database in my bench and recruiter database video. So you can go there and you can get the things accordingly. Now we can see here are the options. Like let's say I want to filter it from A to Z. Then I'll click here. Then it would be coming in the alphabetic manner. First, like 0, 1, 2 digits are coming. Then you can see A, and it is going still A, and after A obviously B would come. Oh my god, so many A is there. So it is in the alphabetic order now. You can see A is there. So many emails I do have in this database which are starting from the A. So when it comes to the next, so it would reach to B, C, D, like this only. Let me scroll down so it would be a little bit quick. You can see now we have reached on D. So it is something we can filter our data in that way. Another way is that we just want to, or like, do it revert, the revert manner. So how we do, we'll just go here on the same thing, and then we have clicked on A to Z. We'll click on the Z to A. So it would be like from starting from Z, Y, X, in that format it would come. And again, data is taking too much time because it is having so much data. Here, Z to A. I'm not clicking on that, so it would take so much time. Sort by color. If you have colors in your that row or column, so those colors can be sorted out. Sort by color, like this color would come on the top and this and that. So accordingly, you can try it, you can test it. Here whatever you have color in the row, then those colors are coming here. Okay, now this one is something where you can play with multiple things: equal, begin with, contains, and all. I'm just trying begin with for now. And begin with, let's say, J, and then I'm clicking OK. So the emails ID which are starting from J would come, you can say, and others are hidden. So you can use this filter in any way. And let's say I want to remove all the things here from the like filter thing here. So I'll select again, I'll click on the sort and filter, and then filter. That's it. It would come in the normal. So it is the filter option. As you can see, so many options were there, so you can use and you can play around and you can like implement in your work as well. Thank you. Bye bye.